In this video, we will discuss 7 strategies to grow affiliate sales for Google for WordPress blogs. We may have started your blog with the sole intentions to help the community to provide much needed information and answering questions around a given subject. But now you have thinking your desires to get some money out of it. Maybe you have looking for new ways to make a little extra money on the side, or you want to convert your business's blog into a revenue stream. I mean, it takes a lot of time to craft quality content for your blogs, not to mention the fees. You have to pay the host your blogs, buy security certifications, renew domains, and acquire plugin you need. So it makes sense to monetize your efforts. Affiliate marketing is one of the least costly and most lucrative way to monetize your blog, and unlikely you don't have to jump through hoops to make it work for you. All you need is a consistent flow of good traffic to your website and the right strategies to get your circuses on the road. In this post, I am going to show you some well worn tactics that you can use to get a affiliate marketing off the ground and dramatically increase the revenue you bring in. First, we discuss what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a platform referral based relationship that involves an affiliate who promotes goods and services on their own platform on behalf of a merchant or company. Whenever sometimes buys the advertised product or service using the affiliate's unique link or tracking code, the affiliate earns a given percentage or flat fee from the transaction. Let's say you have a skincare blog. You can partner with skincare companies and associations that have affiliate marketing programs to help them secure your sales opportunities by putting their products and services in front of your audience. Once you sign up for an affiliate program, you will be given a special link or code that helps the companies know from where and whom they can attribute a sale to. You can then link to their offerings in your blog posts, share their banners, ads on your sites, and even add the links to your newsletters and social media posts. If someone clicks on those links and ends up purchasing a skincare item from a particular company or booking an appointment with a synthetic you have partnered with, you earn an affiliate commission and get paid. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it requires low effort, low wages, trusted cost little to nothing to set, and can be done part-time or full-time depending on how much time you can commit to it. Also, the buyer doesn't bear any extra cost by shopping with your link. The price will remain the same for them no matter what. It's the merchant or seller that pays your commission. Here we discuss how to leverage WordPress for affiliate sales. According to Expose 360 and 2021 affiliate marketing trend report, 63% of merchants have expanded their affiliate marketing budget or diverted fund from other marketing channels into affiliate program in the last year. About 79% of merchants, 83% of affiliate, and 95% of affiliate network agents technologies reported a positive increase in sales from affiliate marketing in 2022. Affiliate marketing spending is expected to reach 8.2 billion in 2022 in the United States alone. So the question is not whether affiliate marketing works. It clearly does. or it does it other enough room for you? You betcha. The question is now, how can you earn a generous chunk of the affiliate pie? The first one is know the focus of your website. If you already have a functioning blog, then you probably have a good sense of what your blog is about. You know the niche or industry you have creating content around, or the core subject your blog is addressing. However, if you have still in the process of setting up your blog or being a jack of all trades in terms of the subject matter of your site, the first thing you need to do is figure that out. You can start by referring to your business plan, thinking about your strategies and area of expertise to see what your goals are and where you can contribute the most. What topics you can easily write dozens and hundreds of blog posts about without running out of steam. Are there interesting service and products in this niche that you can talk about or promote? Are there plenty of affiliate marketing programs available in this niche? By the time you have done answering these questions, you will have a clear idea of what the focus of your site should be. Remember, the goal is to be a specialist, not a generics. You will have much better luck building and retaining an audience where people know what to expect every time they visit your website. It's wise to pick a niche that you have knowledgeable about because you will have you will have to prove to people that you know your audience and are a trustworthy and reliable resources in your field. When deciding on a focus for your site, bear in mind that some niches are more lucrative and competitive than others. So if your core goal is to turn your blog into a full-time money-making machine, you will be better on going with a highly profitable niche like software, travel, cryptocurrency, finance, parenting, dating services, business, e-commerce, health and fitness, and more. And the next one is know your audience and the products they want. Your audience will not be motivated to click your link and buy the products and services you have selling unless they are beneficial or relevant to them. So when picking merchants to do affiliate marketing for, you need to keep your audience at the back of your mind and ensure the merchants offers are elegant with what they want to need. You can accomplish this by doing a deep dive into your target market and audience. Try to understand the challenges they have dealing with, how they feel about those problems, and what products or services can help them resolving these issues. Think about what interested your audience, what they consider before shopping, potential roadblocks that might prevent them from completing a purchase. Then use your content and product positioning to meet their needs and provide solutions to their issues. The best way to get into your audience head is to talk to them and monitor their conversations through surveys, forums, groups, social media, and blog comments. Thank you very much. In this video, we will discuss the remaining strategies to promote WordPress blogs affiliate sales. The third one is promote high quality content. The amount of affiliate sales you generated is depending on your ability to influence people to click on your affiliate links. Creating excellent content will build your audience trust in your message and make them more likely click through and convert. Just because you have making money off visitors to your site doesn't mean you get to create poor overlay promotional content and show in their faces. Focus on educating your audience first by creating content that will be useful to them. For example, you can create in depth guides teaching your audience how to use the products or services you have marketing. Walk them through the process step by step, explain the features in detail, given an honest review accomplished by the pros and cons of each product. Then let your audience decide whether it is the right option for them. You can even create templates, checklists, videos, ebooks, and compromise post around the product you have promoting you to increase awarenesses and push your audience to want to check out the products for themselves. Make your content easy to digest while providing all the information your audience would need to make an informed decision. The fourth step is optimize your blog. Producing quality content is one half the battle. You still need to ensure that your content ranks highly on search engines. The way to do this is by optimizing all the elements of your WordPress site that contribute to SEO search and such as the speed, the responsive of your website. You also need to create content that relevant to the topic and weave appropriate keywords into your tags, meta descriptions, headers and body of the content. Conduct keyword research to identify important keywords that people are searching of in your niche. Then build evergreen content around them. Search engine optimizer websites that are well designed, easy to browse, and full of valuable content. Your tags, meta description, and internal links can influence how Google and others see your site, so pay special attention to them. Use structured data and snippets to optimize your blog and add more relevant information to your search results to increase your ranking in the SERPs. Building quality backlinks for external source to your website can also help improve traffic, brand awareness and SEO for your blog. If you have just starting a blog, it's better to implement these optimization tips from the get go. They help you attract more traffic to your site, while will mean more affiliate sales opportunities for you. Also, you can take advantage of the many SEO plugins for WordPress out there to help you conveniently optimize your blog post and pages of a high ranking. One of the best plugins you can use for the purpose is Yoast SEO, which also you to sell the keyword, meta descriptions, relevant tags, slugs, and optimize your content structure for SEO ranking. The fifth step is decide which affiliate program you want to use. Now that your blog is optimized and you have got quality content to plug affiliate products and services into, it's time to start looking for the right program for you. Your choice is very important as it can impact the amount of profit you make and how you are perceived by your audience. If you promote low quality items, that can erode your audience trust in you, your opinion, and your brand and push them to your competitors. When selecting affiliate program and searching for product to promote, search for reviews about them from other users and properly examine in terms of the program as make sure they are suitable to you. There are a lot of affiliate networks and network places out there that give you access to thousands of affiliate programs that you can sign up for along with their performance details, pros and cons, and other relevant informations. The sixth step is use affiliate tools for your WordPress blogs. when you have just starting out, managing your affiliate on your own might come easy. But if you have a serious about growing your affiliate marketing business and generating good revenue from it, it's important to invest in tools that can streamline and speed up your processing. You have inseparably good handed in your running your affiliate marketing blog on WordPress because the platform offers many great tools and plugins that you can use to manage, monitor, and grow your affiliate programs. For example, Thirsty Affiliates is a plugin that help you easily find and incorporate affiliate links to your page and posts. They organize and manage them from more WordPress dashboards. You can even use it to convert long URLs into shorter links and track the performance of your links and campaigns. The next is Pretty Links. Offer similar features, but it shines best as a tool for optimizing, managing, and sharing your affiliate link. It also comes to handy if you have thinking about kicking off or expanding your link building efforts to boost your website reach and ranking. Another notable affiliate tool for WordPress is Thrive Leads. This plugin comes in handy when you need to generate links and build your mailing list. This will enable you to advertise your affiliate products and entice your audience to click on your links rather than simply scrolling past it. The last and the seventh step is monitor performance. How many people are clicking on your affiliate link? Are these link results in sales? Tracking how your affiliate campaigns are faring will help you answer these questions and refine your strategies to ensure your efforts and yielding results. To properly measure it effectiveness of your affiliate marketing activities, avoid getting sucking in by vanity metrics and keep your eyes on the KPIs and numbers that matter, such as conversions rate, click through rate, revenue by traffic source, and average time to spend on your page. This matrix will let you know to which affiliate campaign is performing excellent, which one needs tinkering, and which campaign is not generating any tangible results. Armed with this information, you can revise your approach to maximize performance and boost sales. Keep in mind that you might not hit an affiliate jackpot right out of the gate. You might need to try out different partnerships and programs and switch up your tactics now and again before you land on something that working well. Thank you very much.